Hey YouTube, it's Sean. Hey, I want to wish every one of you a Merry Christmas. Take care of yourselves and break all the COVID rules you can. All right. And anyway, what I'm doing today is I'm working on the board, speed control board out of my Hobart 135 welder, Hobart handler 135, and replacing the relays. And this is what they had in there for a heat sink. A heat sink is no longer a heat sink if you pot it in a bunch of paint and a bunch of plastic resin. I mean, that can't dissipate much heat. So we're going to clean all this paint and crap off of it, all the crud off of it. And I'm actually going to put a little more finish. I'm going to take a piece of heat sink from like a computer heat sink and build that up. But yep, we're got the transistor out of it. Broke a leg off doing that. That don't matter. That's the old one. Yep, and I still have to get the little driver out. But we're working on it. I want to show you guys though. Let me move my little desoldering iron here. My weather map thing says rain, snow, wind chill 34, and it is 34 outside. So, will it be white? Oh no. There's no wind. Alright guys and gals, you guys have a Merry Christmas, everybody. Oops, getting you a little close. Sorry guys. You guys have a Merry Christmas, and take care of each other, because that's all you got. The government ain't gonna do nothing for you, and I don't expect them to do nothing for me. I don't. But I don't care if you're Democrat or Republican or a house mouse or a cat. Country's getting a little janky, yeah, I'll have to agree. Alright. Take care of yourselves. And I'm going to work on that right down there. And we'll show you what we got when we get done. It's just speed control board. It's what makes the wire come out and controls the speed. And it also turns the tip of the torch on the MIG welder. It cuts power when you let up on the trigger. So that's what it does. That's its job. So that's what we's doing. Just gonna replace all it. It comes in a kit, and the board is $230 some or some dumb thing, depending on where you get it. I saw a used one going for around $230 some. I don't know what a new one is. It's an assembly number 195886. Fits the Hobart handler welders. But we're going to rebuild this board, and I think it's going to be fine. The kit for it was 13 bucks, and it comes with the original relays. Comes with the original relays that were in it new. So I mean, it's not like we're going second rate. It comes with 2 of those. So there is a middle section here that didn't have a relay. That's for the 170. We just need 2. Alright, you take care of yourself, guys and gals. Love y'all and Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.